Our brand new special exhibit at the Academy of Natural Sciences of Drexel University is Xtreme Bugs. This exhibit features all kinds of amazing backyard bugs from around the world. There are 17 different species in this exhibit that even move when you walk by.
In this exhibit, you'll get to see a lot of different bugs, from your bees to your ants, your spiders, and even to our bed bugs right over here behind me.
When you visit Xtreme Bugs, not only can you walk through these incredible immersive environments and really get down and see what these bugs are like up close, there's also a lot of different interactives, beautiful signage and photography, and always awesome staff for you to talk to.
So you'll get to become part of the world of insects. You'll get to be immersed in the experience of what it is to be a bug.
One thing that I really love about the Academy is not only that we present real scientific information, but we also offer an opportunity for you to take a look around your world in a really special and fun way. When you come to this exhibit, not only will you learn the actual biology of all of the different animals that are represented here, but you'll also find out the unique ways that they interact with their ecosystems and how important every single one of them is.
We have a lot of decomposers that help recycle the nutrients back into the earth. There are also a lot of invertebrates out there that help to eat pests that might bother us humans.
Xtreme Bugs features some really cool interactives, both modern digital ones and some more traditional fun things like magnet boards. We also have a wonderful costume and dress up section. If you dress up like a bug in our exhibit, please send us a picture. You can find us on Instagram and Twitter at AcadNatSci.
In this exhibit, we have the Creature Keeper Creepy Crawly Q&A every Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday at 11:45 a.m. where our exhibit manager will take out a live invertebrate and you'll get to see it and hear all about it.
The Academy has millions of specimens in our world-class entomology collection. Our scientists work all over the world, including in Philadelphia, studying all kinds of amazing arthropods.
If you want to find some live invertebrates here at the Academy, you can go upstairs to our third floor and outside in and see some of our invertebrate collection. We have a lot of cool stuff up there. And we also have our butterfly pavilion.
Visit ansp.org today for more information and to get your tickets.
Xtreme Bugs is open until January 21st, so come and see before it's gone.